the wipers. You have to cycle them back through before replacing them back in their spots. And also these side moldings. It's kind of cold outside, so these side moldings are not going to come off in one piece. So we've got to be very delicate with that. Other than that, it's just an acoustic windshield. I can see on it, it says sound screen, and this is the Ford, so that means you have an acoustic interlayer within the windshield. This customer, we are actually getting one with a tip strip at the top. It's kind of a big window. It's going to help them out a lot, having that tip strip up there. But for right now, we're just going to get into it, take this apart, and you can watch the process.
Put on the final finishing touches, got the moldings on, wipers were cycled before we put them on, they're tested, they're working great all the way out. Yeah, it's pretty pretty simple when you know what you're doing. When you do it right, makes you feel good inside. If you guys need anything, glass service, anything from a minor rock chip repair to long crack repairs, full replacements, any glass on the car, hit us up, shoot us a DM, give us a phone call. We'll get you guys taken care of. We do it right. Thanks guys for the support.